planting these cherry trees, we wanted to share our feeling of solidarity with Haiti people who reached out with the support for Japan, even in the midst of their own difficulty.
About a month ago, we planted our first tree, and there's been many events over the last few weeks to have this celebration. And he was picked to come to the summer school for a lot of different reasons. The cherry trees will help beautify this neighborhood, educate our children on the Japanese culture, and just them singing the song was very, very impressive to me, and continue to strengthen the bonds between Japan and the city of Boston.
Next spring, these cherry trees will blossom beautifully. They will blossom quickly, and they will fall off quickly. And they will last only a day or two. Maybe a week. My wife's telling me, I say 2 days, she says a week. In any event, you'll get a chance to see the pinks and the whites. And the colors will be radiant. And you'll have a chance to think back on this day and when we actually planted them. And each year, the cherry blossoms will get a little bigger. And you'll have a chance to grow with them.